the video camera and you need to upload your files from the memory card to the shared drive, here's what you need to do. First, plug in the memory card in the slot on the right side of the computer. And once you do that, it'll take a minute, then it'll recognize and find the card. And the next thing it's going to do is it's going to make iPhoto open. And it's going to try to make you look at everything that's on the card in iPhoto. We do not want to do that, so quickly close iPhoto. We're not going to use that because it's a bad way to manage files. It's a good way to look at the videos, but it's a bad way to manage the files. And that's what we're doing, is we're moving files around. That's it right now. So close iPhoto and follow these next steps. So once you've closed iPhoto, click Finder, and then you need to access the shared drive. If you just load your files into iPhoto on your computer or into the Documents folder or on your desktop, no one will be able to find or access those files except for you when you're logged in on the same computer. So the way to share it so that everyone can have access to it, you go to these shared drives here. So in the Finder window, scroll down past your folder and go to the shared folders. There will be one of these two or both that you'll be able to see on the left-hand side. It should be 10.1.1.10 or DCO4. Either one of these has the same subfolders inside them, so either one will work. So whichever one you see, go ahead and click on it. It'll take a minute to load, and then once it loads, you'll see all of the shared folders on the network drive that you have access to. You should see one here that says Video Broadcasting, and the only people that have access to that folder are people that are taking this class. So once you've clicked there, you'll see it divided up into semesters. This was for last semester. This is for our current semester. 2016 spring semester. So find the folder for your current semester, and when you click there, you'll see a bunch of subfolders for all of the footage that we've uploaded so far this semester. And this is where you need to create a new folder for your upload. So whatever you're uploading, you need to name the folder, make a new folder, and name that folder according to whatever it is that you're uploading. For example, when I uploaded the footage from the tubing trip that happened just recently, I made a new folder and I named it Tubing Trip, and that's where I uploaded all of the raw footage from the GoPro camera. When I uploaded footage from the Bullfrogs lab in Mr. Bradfield's class, I named the folder Bullfrogs, and then there's all the footage right there. So think of a name so that you can find it, so you know what it's called that matches whatever your assignment is. So create an appropriately named folder, and then that's where you're going to upload your files. So for this example, I'm going to say new folder, and I'm going to call it Shot Types Group 1. So it's for the Shot Types assignment, and this would be the upload for group number 1. So hit return, and now I've made the folder where I'm going to move all the files to. Once you've done that, you set this window aside, then you click File, New Finder window. And in the second window, we're going to find all of the footage that we want to move and upload to the shared folder. So scroll down on the left side again until you see Devices, and then you should see the memory card that you just plugged in. You're going to click on DCIM for MP4 format video. It's going to be in a folder called DCIM. So click that folder, and then you'll see it organized by different days that recordings were made. So if you click on those folders, eventually you'll find your footage. So let's say that my footage was in here, that my group was doing, and this is what I wanted to upload. I would find and select all of the files that I want to upload. So if I just wanted these three, I could hold Command and click those other ones and then move those files and upload those. If I want to upload all of these files, then I click on the top one. You can scroll to the bottom, hold Shift and click on the bottom one, and then it'll select everything in between if you're holding Shift. So then you just click and drag, and you just move it over here to this folder that you just made in the other Finder window, and let go, and it starts uploading all of those files. Don't log out of your computer, and don't take out the memory card till it's done with the upload. When it's done, remember to eject the card, and now your files will be on the shared drive. So anybody on the school network with access to this folder would be able to find those files that you uploaded, and they can download those individually, whichever ones they need, to their own computer. So that's all you need to do.